Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to channel for the best drone reviews and tech insights. Helicopter. Today, we're talking about why the DJI Mini 3 Pro is still a must-buy in 2025, from its powerful features to its unbeatable value. If you're wondering whether this drone still holds up against the latest releases, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert drone reviews and buying guides. Compact and lightweight design for ultimate portability. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro continues the trend of ultralight drones, weighing under 250 g, making it exempt from many drone regulations. Compared to previous models like the Mini 2, it features a more aerodynamic body with foldable arms for easy transportation. This compact design ensures users can carry it effortlessly while maintaining durability for outdoor flights. Upgraded camera system with enhanced low-light performance. The Mini 3 Pro introduces a larger 1/1.3-inch sensor, significantly improving image quality over its predecessor. With a wider f/1.7 aperture, it excels in low-light conditions, capturing sharper details and richer colors. Compared to the Mini 2, this model supports HDR video recording, offering a more dynamic range for professional-looking footage. Extended flight time for longer aerial sessions. Equipped with an upgraded battery, the Mini 3 Pro boasts up to 34 minutes of flight time, with an option for an extended battery pushing it beyond 40 minutes. This is a significant improvement over the Mini 2, which maxes out at 31 minutes. Better energy efficiency ensures users can capture more footage without frequent recharging. Advanced obstacle avoidance for safer flying. Unlike the Mini 2, the Mini 3 Pro comes with tridirectional obstacle sensing, making it much safer to fly in complex environments. The improved APS, Advanced Pilot Assistance System, helps navigate around obstacles, reducing the risk of crashes. This feature makes it more beginner-friendly and reliable for professional use. Vertical shooting mode for social media content creators. A major innovation in the Mini 3 Pro is the ability to rotate its camera 90 degrees for true vertical shooting. This is a game-changer for content creators who focus on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Unlike the Mini 2, which requires cropping horizontal footage, this model delivers full-resolution vertical videos straight from the drone. Improved video transmission and range. The Mini 3 Pro introduces OcuSync 3.0, extending its control range up to 12 km with a more stable signal. Compared to the Mini 2's OcuSync 2.0, this upgrade provides lower latency and improved real-time video transmission. It ensures smoother live feeds and better responsiveness for long-range flights. Intelligent flight modes for effortless cinematic shots. The DJI Mini 3 Pro enhances automated flight with intelligent modes like Master Shots, Focus Track, and Hyperlapse. Compared to the Mini 2, which had basic quick shots, this model allows users to capture more dynamic and professional-looking aerial footage with minimal effort. These features make it easier for beginners and content creators to achieve smooth cinematic shots. Quieter propellers for discreet flying. With improved aerodynamics and redesigned propellers, the Mini 3 Pro operates with reduced noise levels compared to the Mini 2. This makes it ideal for filming in quiet environments like nature reserves, weddings, or residential areas without drawing attention. The quieter flight also enhances the overall experience for pilots who prefer a less obtrusive drone. Enhanced wind resistance for stable performance. The DJI Mini 3 Pro features improved aerodynamics and stronger motors, allowing it to withstand higher wind speeds compared to the Mini 2. This ensures more stable flight and smoother footage, even in challenging weather conditions. Pilots can confidently fly in coastal areas or open landscapes without worrying about excessive drift or instability. Redesigned remote controller with built-in display. Unlike the Mini 2, which relied on a smartphone connection for the controller, the Mini 3 Pro introduces an optional DJI RC with a built-in screen. This eliminates the need for a separate mobile device, offering a seamless and lag-free flight experience. The new controller provides better brightness and reliability, making it ideal for outdoor flying in bright sunlight. 4K HDR video for stunning visuals. The DJI Mini 3 Pro upgrades its video capabilities with true 4K HDR recording, delivering richer colors and better contrast than the Mini 2. This enhancement allows creators to capture cinematic quality footage with more detail in highlights and shadows. Whether filming landscapes or action shots, the improved dynamic range ensures professional results straight from the drone. Stronger GPS and return-to-home accuracy. With upgraded GPS and enhanced return-to-home (RTH) functionality, the Mini 3 Pro offers more precise positioning and safer automated landings. Compared to the Mini 2, which relied on standard GPS, this model integrates multiple satellite systems for better stability. Even in challenging environments like dense forests or urban areas, pilots can trust the Mini 3 Pro to return safely with improved accuracy. Improved night mode for low-light aerial photography. The DJI Mini 3 Pro introduces a dedicated night mode, significantly enhancing low-light performance compared to the Mini 2. With advanced noise reduction and a wider aperture, this mode allows for clearer and more detailed nighttime shots. Whether capturing cityscapes or starlit landscapes, users can expect brighter and sharper images even in challenging lighting conditions. Upgraded smart controller compatibility for seamless operation. Unlike its predecessor, the Mini 3 Pro is compatible with DJI's latest smart controllers, offering a more intuitive flying experience. With higher screen brightness, better response times, and dedicated function buttons, these controllers enhance usability. This upgrade eliminates the need for a smartphone, providing a more reliable and immersive flight experience. Expanded storage options for more flight footage. The DJI Mini 3 Pro supports larger microSD cards and faster write speeds, allowing users to record longer 4K videos without interruption. Unlike the Mini 2, which had more limited storage compatibility, this model ensures smoother high-resolution recording. This is ideal for professional creators who need extended filming sessions without frequently swapping memory cards. Conclusion. The DJI Mini 3 Pro brings significant upgrades over its predecessor, including improved camera capabilities, smarter flight features, and enhanced stability. With better low-light performance, obstacle avoidance, and a redesigned controller, it offers a more professional experience in a compact form. Whether for beginners or experienced pilots, this drone delivers exceptional value and versatility. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter, do you think the DJI Mini 3 Pro is still worth it in 2025? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and drone insights. See you in the next video.